Once upon a time there were a family of phantoms. Half phantoms, all full phantoms, even a tiny bit part of phantoms. There were two phantoms still left in the phantom family. One was full, one was half. They were very close. One was named Violet, the other name was Night. Night was full phantom and Violet was half phantom. They were very close friends. They were brother and sister. One day, Violet and Night heard bad news that the phantoms were going on war against the alphas of Jamal. Greeley and Peck were going to destroy the phantoms once and for all, because the phantoms were destroying Jamal Township and Coral Canyons again and again and again. They were training and training and training, and getting angrier and angrier the phantoms went. And one day, they decided to end this and go to Jamal. They went to Jamal and found the mirror statue. It was ice cold. It was snowing. Their wings were getting cold. They were talking to Mira. They were talking to the mirror statue. Night has said, Mira, why have you done this? While Violet has said, Mira, please, let phantoms go on and living our lives. They were sad, scared, frightened of Mira. Mira was the one that created Jamal and everywhere else. They decided to go back to their home. At the kingdom and their home, they were chatting all night about they having to protect their kingdom. Night has said, Violet, we need to protect our kingdom. And Violet has answered, I know, Night, I know. While they were chatting, they got into an argument. Night has told her, No, you don't understand, Violet. And Violet replied, Yes, I do, Night. The argument continued and continued. Night has said, Our kingdom is in danger. And Violet said, I know, Night. The fight had just continued and continued and continued ever since. Still endangered of the kingdom and the past. They just kept on ever since then. The argument kept on continuing. And I said, Don't act like you're a full phantom. Violet has responded, I'm not. I always wondered when the fight will stop. The fight will never stop. They still tried and tried and tried to continue and continue and continue. Then, as Night has continued the argument, he said, We must end Jamal or we will all go away. Violet was just in tears. She was only half phantom and she is the youngest. Night is the oldest. He is maturer than Violet. Violet was scared. She is only 10, while Night was 15. They were in the teenager stage, about to get out. Will they survive, or will they go dead? And Night was getting angrier and angrier as he thought about it. While they were sleeping, Violet had a terrible dream. Her dream was that her older brother, Night, has died. She was crying in her dream. She felt like that she was actually crying in life. She was wondering and wondering and wondering, will her actual brother die in real life? Or will he survive? And what has caused that to happen? And then while she was sleeping, she sudden got up and was afraid. She was yelling her eyes out. And then after, when she was done yelling her eyes out, she started crying and crying and then awoken her bigger brother. Her bigger brother has said, "What has happened? Are you okay?" Then Violet has said, "Yes, I'm fine. I had a dream that you were gone forever." Then they were having a little chat. Naya said, "How'd I get hurt?" Then Violet has spoken, "That Greeley attacked us." The Knight said, "The Greeley did that?" Then Violet has spoken, "Yes." Then they were up all night having a chat. Then Violet has spoken, "I was worried." Then Night has said, "This means war." The dream came true. And war happened. Greeley showed up at their house. Night has spoken to him. "Finally we meet, Greeley," said Night. "Hello, evil phantom," said Greeley. War has commenced. They were fighting their heads off, waiting, and corruption has gotten into the house. Everything has been torn down, piece by piece. Blood has been drawn. Everything. And the house was corrupted, and the phantom went down. Night has been fallen. And then he tries to walk away. And he tries to walk away. Then all of a sudden, Greeley vanished. When Night has come back home, he was tired. He was worn out, and he had blood. Violet was scared. She knew that her dream came true, that the war had came. She was confused. She was scared. And she was sad. Violet said, "What happened?" And then Naya said, "Sister, I am going to be fine. I just need rest." She was scared. And then she said, "I need a help." And she has said in her mind, "I am a strong half phantom girl. I need to protect my family before I don't have no family." She challenged Greeley into a fight. The fight has begun. And the fight has begun. There's blood, there's more mishap, more and more and more as it went. But you know who went down? Greeley went down. But he had less blood than Violet. Phantoms get more blood easier than regular, normal animals. She decided and went home. When Violet returned home, she found out that her big brother was gone. He died when the battle was begun. She lay beside him, crying. The funeral happened later on the day. She would never forget the fight of Greeley and the death of her beloved brother.